How to fix Honor Magic 7 screen won't turn on. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then you can see the option restart. Now click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and here you can see the option system and updates. Now click on system and updates and then click on reset. After clicking on reset, on top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and here you can reset all the settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.